I am Dr. Sheikh Muhammad Rashad Kabir Abduli, born in 1934, Charchar Laga Arba, in the village of Jarjare, eastern Oromia. My parents were humble Oromo peasants, and my father, Kabir Abdullah, served as an imam and Islamic scholar. My academic journey began at my father's madrasa, where I developed a passion for learning. Recognized for my achievements, I pursued further studies in Charchar and Harar, eventually receiving a scholarship to Saudi Arabia. There, I completed my secondary education in Palestine and later earned a BA in Islamic and Linguistic Studies from the University of Fathul Islami in Syria. In 1957, I was honored with a full scholarship to Al-Azhar University in Egypt, where I graduated at the top of my class, receiving the National Medal of Achievement from President Gamal Abdel Nasser in 1963. My research focused on the theological and historical development of Islam in East Africa. I dedicated over 15 years to studying the Oromo and Somali languages, culminating in my PhD in Linguistic Studies from the UK. Under the guidance of the esteemed Sheikh Bakri Sapalo, I contributed significantly to the development of Afan Oromo, including creating the Kubi writing system. After graduating, I served as a magistrate at Al-Azhar's branch in Mogadishu, Somalia, where I also worked as a linguistic expert for the Somali government. I initiated the first Afan Oromo radio broadcasts, fostering cultural pride. However, I had to flee to Saudi Arabia due to threats from the Ethiopian government. There, I continued my scholarly work, producing numerous publications in Afan Oromo and Arabic. My contributions earned me the Oromo Studies Association's Lifetime Achievement Award in 2009. I returned to my homeland in 2009 and settled in Adama, continuing to write until my passing on May 25, 2013. I remained fiercely independent and devoted to my people, leaving a lasting legacy in the fields of language and education.